SpendMine is a budgeting app for individuals, couples, and families. It uses zero-based budgeting, meaning every dollar you earn gets assigned a purpose before you spend it. Here's how it works.
You start by creating a budget. Add your income, then create your spending categories. Groceries, transport, rent, whatever applies to you. Every dollar gets assigned somewhere. Nothing is left floating. Savings goals work the same way. Create a goal, set your target amount and date, and SpendMine tracks your progress automatically. Your savings are a category in the budget, not what's left over at the end of the month. If you're budgeting with a partner, SpendMine lets you share the same budget. Both of you see the same numbers in real time. One person adds a transaction, the other sees it immediately. No more, how much did we spend on groceries conversations. The budget answers that for you. At the end of the month, you can export your spending report directly from the app. Every category laid out clearly. If you prefer PDF, export it as a PDF. If you work better in spreadsheets, export it to Excel. Every dollar accounted for in whichever format works for you. For anyone who has been managing budgets in Excel for years, SpendMine speaks your language too.
SpendMine is free to download on Android and iOS. A premium plan is available at $4.99 a month for full access. If you've been meaning to get your finances under control, this is where you start.